It was Jilly's grandfather's birthday, and she woke up early to buy him a birthday cake. She went to a bakery and chose his favorite chocolate cake. When her grandfather came downstairs for breakfast, he was surprised. "I forgot it was my birthday," he said, and they all laughed. What has just happened? Jilly has woken up early to buy her grandfather a birthday cake. She has been to a bakery and chosen his favorite chocolate cake. Her grandfather has come downstairs and he has forgotten it's his birthday. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.